Good morning student. In last lecture we learned integration by substitution. Today we discuss some special integrals. So these are the some theorem and their proofs are in our textbook. This theorem we can use here like formulas. So our first formula is integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx, then it is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Here is difference in only sign. So here x square minus a square. Then our answer is 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c, where a is the constant. Next, integration of a square minus x square. Student, look at here. Here first is constant and then next is variable. So formula is different. 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. So whenever here is minus, here minus. Whenever here minus, then here plus. Next, integration of 1 upon root of a square minus x square. You can observe there is no root present and here is root. Then formula will get changed and it is sin inverse x upon a plus c. Next formula, integration of 1 upon under root of x square minus a square. Look at this. This will same, but there is difference in under root. So formula here is different, which is log x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c, where a is the constant. Next, under root of x square plus a square, then it is log x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c. And last, integration of 1 upon x under root of x square minus x square dx, which is equal to 1 upon a sec inverse x upon a plus c. So these are our formulas, and this formula we have to use when solving the examples. So here are exercise 3.2b. So our first example is I is equal to integration of 1 upon 25 minus 9x square dx. So what is our formula? A square minus x square, integration of a square minus x square dx. So for that, this is the square of 5 and this is the square of 3 and x. So first write here given. I is equal to integration of 1 upon 25 minus 9x square dx. So it is the square of 5. So write here 5 square. It is the square of 3x. So write here 3x square. Now using the formula. So I is equal to, what is the formula? Integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. So using this, here is 1 upon 2a. Here a is 5. So into 5 log. Now a plus x. So a is 5 plus x means 3x. And here 5 minus 3x plus c. So our answer is 1 upon 10 log 5 plus 3x upon 5 minus 3x plus c. So this is your answer. Now next example is I is equal to integration of 1 upon 4x square minus 3 dx. Now student, note that our formula is only variable and constant. So there is no formula with variable into constant. Therefore we have to take 4 as a common. So first, before that, write here given. I is equal to integration of minus 3 dx. Now take common 1 upon 4. When we take common, then it is divided to all term. That's why 3 upon 4 dx. Now 1 upon 4 integration of 1 upon x square minus, this is the square of root 3 and this is the square of 2. So you can write here like that, 1 upon 4 integration of 1 upon x square minus root 3 upon 2 whole square dx. Now there is the formula for integration of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So using this formula, here we get our answer I is equal to 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 2a. So here a is root 3 upon 2. So into 1 upon 2a means root 3 upon 2. Okay, we take one step. I is equal to 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 2a. So it is root 3 upon 2 into log x minus a. So what is x minus a means root 3 upon 2 upon x plus root 3 upon 2 plus c. So here this formula is right here, by mistake I wrote there, so change it. Now this 2 get cancelled, so we get 1 upon 4 root 3 into logs, to get multiply here, so 2x minus root 3 and 2x plus root 3. Therefore I is equal to 1 upon 4 root 3 log 2x minus root 3 upon 2 upon 2x plus root 3 upon 2 plus c. Now 2 get cancelled, so our answer is I is equal to 1 upon 4 root 3 log 2x minus root 3 upon 2x plus root 3 plus c. So this is our answer. Now next example is I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root of 11 minus 4x square dx. So simply first write given I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root of 11 minus 4x square dx. Now take squaring. So 11 is a square of under root of 11 and here 2x square dx. Now simply use here formula. So we have formulas. What is that formula? Under root of 1 upon, this is the constant, that's why a square minus x square dx, which is equal to sine inverse x upon a plus c. So here is under root 11 is a and here x is 2x. So you can take here under root, integration sign will remove after taking integration. So I is equal to sine inverse x upon under root of 11 plus c. But 2 is multiplier 2x, that's why it is balanced by 1 upon 2. So our final answer is I is equal to 1 upon 2 sine inverse 2x upon under root of 11 plus c. Now next example is I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root of 2x square minus 5 dx. So take 2 common. First write here given I is equal to integration of 1 upon 2x square minus 5 dx. Now take 2 as a common. So it is under root of 2, so we have to take under root of 2 common, integration of 1 upon x square. Now when we take 2 common, then it is divide to whole term, that's why 5 upon 2 dx. Now check, it is the square, so write here 1 upon under root of x square minus, this is the square of under root of 5 and this is the square of under root of 2 whole square dx. So here you can write here under root of 2 integration of 1 upon root of x square minus 5 under root of 5 upon 2 whole square dx. Now use here formula, which is the formula under root of x square minus a square. So you can write here using integration of 1 upon under root of x square minus a square dx is equal to log x plus under root of x square minus a square dx. Sorry, plus c. So using this, I is equal to 1 upon under root of 2 log x plus under root of x square minus under root of 5 upon 2 whole square plus c. So it is log x plus under root of x square minus 5 upon 2 plus c. So this is our answer. Now next example is I is equal to under root of 9 plus x upon 9 minus x dx. So student, remember there is no any formula to solve it. So first we have to simplify it and then use the formula or some special integrals. So first simplify, before that write here given I is equal to under root of 9 plus x upon 9 minus x dx. To simplify it, take rationalization, which is multiply by 9 plus x upon 9 plus x into dx. So this 9 plus x whole square and this is 9 minus x, 9 plus x into dx. So separate the roots, 9 plus x whole square, and here is under root of a minus b, a plus b. So here you can use the formula a minus b, a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So it is 9 square minus x square dx. And you can observe this square and square root get cancelled. So only remaining 9 plus x upon under root of 81 minus x square dx. Now separate the denominator. So 9 upon under root of 81 minus x square plus x upon under root of 81 minus x square. Sorry student, there is some mistake. There is integration sign is missing. So write here integration sign and here dx. Now separate the integration. So it will become 9 upon under root of 81 minus x square dx plus integration x upon under root of 81 minus x square dx. Now it is solved by some parts, so give it I1 and this integration is I2. So first take I1 here. I1 is equal to integration of under root of 81 minus x square dx. Sorry, here 9 is absent. 9 upon under root of 81 minus x square. So 9 is constant, take outside of integration. 81 minus x square dx. Now it is the square of 9. So you can write here integration of 1 upon 9 square minus x square dx. Now here use the formula. Which is the formula? First here it's constant. So here you have to use under root of a square minus x square. So use this formula and put the value. So you get your answer. So what is that formula? Integration of 1 upon under root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse x upon a plus c. So using this formula we get value of I1 which is equal to 9 into sine inverse x upon 9 plus c. This 9 is our first constant which we take outside of integration. Now this is the value of I1. So also I2 is equal to the value of I2 is integration of x upon under root of 81 minus x square dx. Now this is solved by method of substitution. So substitute 81 minus x square equal to t. So put 81 minus x square equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. We get 81 which is constant. So differentiation of 81 is 0. Differentiation of x square is 2x. And differentiation of t with respect to x is dt upon dx. So therefore minus 2x dx is equal to dt. But there is only value x into dx. So x into dx is equal to dt upon minus 2. Now put that value in our integration. So we get value of x into dx is dt upon minus 2. So you can write here dt upon minus 2 upon 81 minus x square is t. So under root of t. Therefore I2 is equal to minus 1 upon 2 is the constant. Take outside of integration and it is under root of t. Now there is no formula for 1 upon root t. So write it like that, 1 upon t raised to 1 upon 2 dt. Now using laws of indices, 1 upon a raised to m is equal to a raised to minus m. Using this you can write here t raised to minus 1 upon 2 dt. Now use the formula, which is, what is the formula? Integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Using this it will become minus 1 by 2 t raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So it is minus 1 by 2 t raised to 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. So it is 1 upon 2. So you can write here 2 upon 2 and here you write root t plus c. So it is only I2 is equal to minus root t plus c. But we know that value of t is 81 minus x square. So put the value of I2. Therefore I2 is equal to minus under root of 81 minus x square plus c. Now put that value of I1 and I2 in this equation I. What is the equation I? I1, give it equation 1. When you put the value of I1 and I2, then you get value of I. Therefore I is equal to 9 sine inverse x upon 9 minus under root of 81 minus x square plus c. So this is our answer. Now next example is I is equal to integration of 1 upon x square plus 8x plus 12 into dx. So first write given. Okay. Now here is some another method to solve it. So suppose here it is ax square plus bx plus c, and there is one formula which is like that, b square upon 4a. So what is b? b is 8, so 8 square upon 4. Here a is 1, so here 1, 64 upon 4 which is equal to 16. There is no need to write it here, but it is only for your understanding. So don't write it in your exam paper. You can write it in your notebook, but please don't write on your exam paper. So here it is 16. So add this 16 and subtract this 16. So you get your answer, x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 16, and this is plus 12 dx. Now take it one bracket, x square plus 8x plus 16, and this is minus 4 dx. Now this is the quadratic equation. So this is the square of x, this is the sign plus, and this is the square of 4, so it will become whole square, and this is the square of 2. Now you can use here over some special integrals, and it is very easy to solve. So what is the formula? Integration of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So using this, here 1 upon 2a, a is 2 into log x minus a, so x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Okay, so I is equal to 1 upon 4 log x plus 2 upon x plus 6 plus c. This is your answer. Now next example is I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root of x minus 3 x plus 2 dx. So first students solve this bracket. Before that write it given, x minus 3 x plus 2 dx. Now multiply it first with this, then this, and then this last. So it is x square minus 2x minus 3x, sorry it is plus 2x, and this is minus 6 dx. So it is integration of x square plus 2x minus 3x is minus x minus 6 dx. Now use here our formula which is equal to b square upon 4a. So it is here the value of b is minus 1. So write here minus 1 square upon 4. Value of a is 1. So write here 1. So minus 1 square is 1, and this is 4. So here we have to add and subtract 1 upon 4. So integration of 1 upon under root of x square minus x plus 1 upon 4, add this and subtract this, this is minus 6 dx. Now next take it in one bracket. So it is x square minus x plus 1 by 4. And this is minus 1 by 4 minus 6 into dx. Now next, this is the square of x minus, this is the side minus, this is the square of 1 and this is the square of 2, so it is whole square. Here 4 into 6, 24, 24 minus means minus 1 minus 24 upon 4 into dx. So it will become, next step, x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 25 upon 4 dx. Now next, x minus 1 by 2 whole square and this is minus 5 upon 2 whole square dx. Now use here formula integration of 1 upon under root of x square minus a square dx. So you get your answer. Using integration of 1 upon under root of x square minus dx is equal to log x plus under root of x square minus a square dx. Therefore I is equal to log, what is over x? So x is x minus 1 by 2 plus under root of x square. So x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 upon 2 whole square plus c. Sorry, here is plus. So log x minus 1 by 2 plus under root. Now here some change. This is x minus 1 by 2 square minus 5 by 2 square. So here we can change it by using this. This is equal to means you can write instead of this. This is equal to means you can write this, means you can write this, and last we can write this. So instead of this square root you can write the value of this square root. So this is x square minus x minus 6 plus c. So this is the value of I. This is your answer. Now our next example is I is equal to 1 upon 4x square minus 20x plus 17 dx. Right here given. Take 4 common. So student, remember, when we take 4 common or when we take anything common, then it divides the function. So it will become 20 upon 4 x, here is x, plus 17 upon 4 dx. Here is also 4, then here divide 4, 4 get cancelled, so only remaining x. Next step, 1 by 4 integration of x square minus 5x plus 17 by 4 dx. Now use here the formula b square upon 4a. So b square is minus 5 square upon 4 into 1. So it is 25 upon 1 upon 4 integration of 1 upon. There no need to write it. It is only for your understanding. So here x square minus 5x plus 25 upon 4 minus 25 upon 4. This is plus 17 upon 4 dx. So it is 1 upon 4. Take it one bracket. And this is as it is. Now next, this is the square of x, this is minus sign, this is the square of 5 and 2, that's why it is whole square, and this is 25 plus 17 means minus 8 upon 4 dx. So it will become 1 by 4 integration of x minus 5 upon 2 whole square minus 2 dx. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 4 integration of 1 upon x minus 5 upon 2 whole square minus root 2 square dx. Now using the formulas, what is formula? Using integration of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Using this, therefore I is equal to, this is 4, this is 1 upon 2a means here root 2 log x, so here is x minus 5 upon 2 minus root 2 upon x plus 5 upon 2 plus root 2 plus c. So it is like that, 1 upon 8 root 2 log 2, so 2x minus 5 minus 2 root 2 upon 2 upon 2x plus 5 plus 2 root 2 upon 2 into d into plus c. Sorry, 2 get cancelled. Therefore, I is equal to 1 upon 8 root 2 log 2x minus 5 minus 2 root 2 upon 2x plus 5 plus 2 root 2 plus c. So this is your answer. Now next example is I is equal to this. So first write it given. I is equal to integration of 1 plus x minus x square dx. Now take minus sign common. So minus, when we take minus sign common, then it will become minus 1 minus x and this is plus. So write here plus x square minus x minus 1 dx. It will happen because of we taking minus sign common. Now next, here use b square upon 4a. So here is value of b is minus 1 square, value of 1 is a, value of a is 1, so it will become 1 upon 4. Now add and subtract this 1 upon 4, so we get x square minus x plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4, this minus 1 into dx. Now next, minus integration of, take in one bracket, x square minus x plus 1 upon 4, and this is minus 1 minus 4 upon 4 dx. Now next, it is the square of x, this is minus sign, and this is square of 1 by 2 whole square, and there is minus 5 upon 4 into dx. This is I. Now this is the square of under root of 5 and this is the square of 2, so it will become whole square. Therefore, I is equal to integration of 1 upon x minus 1 by 2 square minus under root of 5 upon 2 whole square dx. Now next, using the formulas, what is the formula? Using integration of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Using this, I is equal to, here is minus sign common, so minus 1 upon 2a, a means under root of 5 upon 2 log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So here 2 get cancel, minus 1 upon root 5 log this is 2, so 2x minus 1 minus root 5 upon 2 upon 2x plus 1 plus root 5 upon 2 plus c. 2 get cancel, so our answer I is equal to minus under root of 5 log 2x minus 1 minus root 5 upon 2x plus 1 plus root 5 plus c. So these are our answer. Now there are some practice problems from exercise 3.2b. First, I is equal to integration of 1 upon 7 plus 2x square dx. Second, integration of 1 upon under root of 3x square plus 8 dx. Third, integration of under root of 2 plus x upon 2 minus x dx. Fourth, integration of under root of 10 plus x upon 10 minus x into dx. Fifth, integration of 1 upon 5 minus 4x minus 3x square dx. You can solve it by taking minus 3 common, so it is very easy to solve. And last, I is equal to integration of 1 upon 3x square plus 5x plus 7 dx. You can take here 3 common, so you get one quadratic equation, and by using b square upon 4a you get your answer. So student, try to solve this practice problem, and if any doubt, any queries, then you can call me. Thank you.